Today we're learning the NUEVAYoL dance from Bad Bunny's Super Bowl performance because you guys asked for it. Now, before we get into this, I want to say thank you to this person right here for sending me a super thanks. I really appreciate it. Alright? I'm going to break this lesson up into 3 easy sections, and I promise by the end of it, you will have it. Let's mirror this video. This is section 1. Alright? Section 1, you're going to have this hop here. It's going to be on 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Okay, notice on that 8 and when I land, 8, I'm going to jump onto this left foot and. Okay, just get those hops. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, hop, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Okay, now at the same time, every time I rise up, when I jump up, my hands are coming towards my chest, and when I land, I'm throwing them up. So I'm going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. From here, on that and count, I'm bringing my hands down towards my body here so that I can step onto this right leg to go 1. Yes? As I release my hands, they're going around here from my right to my left, and the left leg is going to go right in front of me to trace in front of me. Yes? And that's going at the same time. So it's going to go from here and 1. Good. So we land 8 and 1. Good. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen to this count. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay, that's going to help you with that weight transfer there once you understand it. Okay. One more time. We'll try with the actual hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Good. Okay, I apologize for the sound that my mic's making as it hits my chest, okay? So, from here now, as I go around, 1, I'm going to step on this left leg. If you see me from the side here, I go around on the 1. 1, I step on this left leg to step slightly back to cross in front of my right, and then I'm going to step back on my right leg. Okay? So it's going to go like this. 1 and 2 and. Yes? Again, I'm going to go 1 and 2 E from here. When I bring my left leg across, boom, step. I step back on the right leg. As I step back on the right leg, I'm shaking my shoulders. 2 E and. From here, I'm going to go forward. 3. So I'm pushing onto my heel, and my hands are going forward. My head looks down, and I'm going to bring it in. Okay, one more time. So we went from here, 8 and 1 and shake 2 E and I bring it in 3 and I'm going to step forward on the left leg. Look at my hands. 4. Yes. And I'm pushing my hips into that right there. Okay? One more time. What did I just do? We said slowly from the hops. If you don't want to fully jump right now just to get the timing, it's totally cool. So you can follow me here. We said 1, 2, 3, 4. Rise up on your toes. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at the weight transfer. And 1. And 2 E and 3 and 4. Yes? Let's try that a little bit faster together, okay? But add a little bit more of the hop. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2 E and 3 and 4. Yeah? One more time before we close section 1, okay? And then we move on to section 2. Here we go. Last time. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2 E and 3 and 4. Good. From here now, 4, we're going to continue the step to go 5 and 6. Again, so I go from here, 4. I step forward with my right leg now. I go switching the position, the shape. 5. Then I go and 6. So it's like you're going to go step, 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 up. Step, 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 up. It's like a little hole. Boom, ta, ta, boom. 1, 2, 3, step 4, 5, and 6. Good. Then from here, I'm going to chug out with my hands. I'm going to go from the 6 7, 8, and. Okay, and that's gonna bring us to the end of section 1 there. One more time. We step from the 4, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, chug, 7, 8, and. So when I'm doing that chug there, I'm throwing my arms out like this, and I have a chug in my body. So my feet are going like this, pushing away with that right leg, and you're pushing onto that left leg like this. Bah. As you do that, you chug forward, your hands open, then chug forward with your hands crossed. Again, so it looks like this. Bah, bah, 7, 8, bah, bah, 7, 8, bah, bah. Okay, so we're gonna connect everything from the top for section 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, chug, 7, and 8, and. Yeah? All right, cool. That's section 1. Take your time with it. Let's move on to section number 2. So, section 2, we come from here. We're going to take our left hand now. So, we have our hands on our hip here. Some dancers are looking at it. Some dancers are looking straight. I'm going to copy the dancer here that's looking down. You're going to take your left hand, trace it with your head. Yes? And that's going to go on the 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes? Now this part of the dancer is crossed, so some dancers are opening up from this side, and some dancers are opening up from this side. Okay? I'm doing this way. 1, 2, tracing with the head. Then from here, you're going to switch your hands from being placed like this. This right hand's going to go onto your hip, almost like a fist. Yes? Not almost, it is a fist. And then I'm going to roll my shoulder like this. As I step over with this right leg, and pop, pop. This is the groove. Roll, roll. Look how I'm serving this hand here for my shape, and this one's right here. And I'm throwing the shoulder back. Almost feels like you're rolling your shoulder back like this, but you're accenting on the beat. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, ba, ba, ba. And that groove there is helping with the feet when you're stepping. So every time you're throwing back on the beat, you step down on that right leg. Step and, okay? So the accent helps you there. Ba, 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 ba. Yes? So that count's gonna go like this. 1, 2, roll, 3, 4, 5, switch, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay? What just happened? Now this is traveling on the field for them, but we're doing it on the spot for the tutorial, okay? One more time. We start from here. 1, 2, open, 3, 4, 5, switch, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. All right? From here now, I'm gonna take this move, I'm gonna end it, I'm gonna go out, 3, stepping out with that right leg, 4. And it kind of has like a feel to it. Boom, cat, nice little groove. Boom, cat. Yes, that's gonna finish off that section there. But let's continue making sure you have it, all right? So we start from here, we open up, 1, 2, remember switch the hand here, roll, 3, and 4, and 5, and from here, as I step now onto the 6, I'm switching the hands and rolling my head. 6, then I step, 7, 8, 2 more, 1, 2, then I step, 3, 4. Yeah, you with me? All right, so let's connect section 1 and section 2 together to make sure you're good. Nice and slow. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, out, 7, and 8, and 1. This is section 2 now. 1, 2, roll, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Go, 1, and 2, step, 3, 4. Hey, okay? That was a slow way of putting it all together. You gotta rewind, try it a couple more times, go for it, okay? But I'm gonna teach you the last part so we could try it a couple times all together slowly, okay? The last part's very simple. You're gonna freestyle for a count of 8, but the counts are gonna be different here. So I finish from here, 3, 4. I'm gonna take these last 4 counts to do my own thing freestyle. So I'm gonna freestyle 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I have another 4 count to freestyle. That's gonna be my 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to do there, anything you wanna do. Then you have, from here, you're gonna take your right hand, step out with the right leg, 5, looking down, switch it, 6, and I'm on the ball of my foot here as you can see, Then I turn towards my left hand, 7, then I come up, 8, then I shake my shoulders, and 1. Woo! That's the end of section 3, but we're gonna do it again to make sure you have it, okay? So you freestyle, I'm gonna count the freestyles with the same counts here, so we finish 3, 4, freestyle, 5, 6, 7, 8, freestyle, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we hit our pitchers here, we go 5, make sure you're on the ball of the foot, right hand's up, left hand's by your chest, straight arms, switch 6, then the hand that's up, go towards the hand that's up, which is your left hand right now, go down 7, up 8, shake, and 1. Yes, and that brings us to the end of the dance. I feel like we want to do everything once more, all the way through, nice and slow from the top. Yes, all 3 sections. Here we go. Ready? I'm going to count you slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and stop there. Section 2, 1, 2, roll, 3, and 4, and 5, switch, 6, roll, 7, and 8. 2 more, 1, and 2, step 3, 4. Section 3, freestyle, 5, 6, 7, 8, freestyle, 1, 2, hey, 3, 4, step, 5, 6, down, 7, 8, and 1. Yes, yes, yes. Now the ending for this specific challenge that everyone's doing online, the and a 1 from here, ka ka ka. You could just end it, even if you go from here, ba 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 ka ka ka. People are ending it just on this, d, and doing their own thing at the end, all right? But that brings you to the end. Can we try it straight through without stopping and then we try it with the music? That's a yes, all right? Here we go, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, roll, 3, 4, 5, switch, 6, go, 7, 8, go, 1, 2, step, 3, 4, freestyle, 1, 6, 7, 8, freestyle, 1, 2, 3, 4, go, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1. Yeah. All right. Now, I think you're ready to try it with the music. Just head over here and try it on Shorts, or YouTube thinks you'll like this video next. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being here. And until next time, I'm going to go catch my breath. Whew.